got the whole park to myself. Nobody down here. Down that way, there's a little bench that they built, or you know, a platform where you can stand on. It's got railing and everything, but that would be a good place to set up and paint once the light gets moved into the canyon here in a little bit. It's a brand new park, so there's actually a lot of people don't even know that this park exists, but man, it's got beautiful canyon walls. Of course, the Pend Oreille River flowing north right through here. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Ah, I forgot paper towels. Oh man. And I forgot my drawing kit. I unpacked it from my airplane ride back. I don't know where I put it, but fortunately I've got some charcoal, so I'm going to charcoal sketch this on here. I'll probably do a wash in a few different colors with paint thinner to mark my zones after I do the drawing. I purposefully did this darker than what it actually looks like so that I can build upon it and make the rocks a little lighter, and then put the details of the cracks and shadows and stuff in there. The water is going to be a real challenge because this, even though it's oil paint, it's drying really fast. I've been at it for a couple hours. It looks like I might have to come back tomorrow and work on this. Fortunately, it's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow. Okay, so yesterday I started this painting. It's an 8x10, and I struggled and I struggled and I struggled with it. And I was trying to do blends on the water. It wasn't blending. So anyway, I decided to go home. And this morning I got up having a cup of coffee, and I realized what the problem with this is. The reason I was struggling so much for it, I mean, oil paint, you put it on, it's supposed to be wet, you're supposed to be able to push it, pull it, blend it, come back half hour later and still be able to blend it. But with this, the canvas is soaking it up. And I realized why the canvas is soaking up. It's because these canvases, because I'm on a challenge to do 50 of them, I decided I would just go ahead and buy some inexpensive, basic white cotton canvases. Well, I believe it's got a coat of gesso on it, but probably not enough, because this canvas is soaking up the paint like a paper towel. And so the paint's not sitting on top, it's soaking into it. So to fix this problem with the other 23 canvases that I have here, I am going to, in fact, I ordered some gesso this morning. It'll be here in a couple days, and then I'm going to coat all of those panels with another 1 or 2 coats of gesso. Let them dry thoroughly before I bring them out and start painting. That way my paint's not soaking into the canvas and making it difficult to paint, you know. So I'm going to stop there. I'm going to let this dry good, and I'm going to come back and do more detail. I bought a pack of 24 canvases. They're not gessoed very well or primed very well. And so today, me and my little helper are putting gesso on these canvases.
Bam, bam, bam.
All right, so I did a little bit of transparent layering on it to allow the colors that I had already placed down to show through a little bit, but add more color to it. They call it a glaze, where you just add a little color to your liquid and glaze it on. So I darkened some of the shadows on the trees, darkened the river in the areas where it needed, and glazed on some highlights, sky reflection, etc., the shadows, and put a little definition to the bottom of the rocks. I also did some highlights and stuff on the rocks, shadowing on the rocks with the glaze. Really added a lot of definition to it. But that's as far as I'm going to go on this one. And all I got to do is let it dry, put my little signature on there, and this one's done. It's been a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and stick around if you want to see more of these, along with my other retirement adventures I'll be doing through the summer. Thanks. Bye.